And these rear passengers, they're just locked for some reason. Same on that side. This is the right rear seatbelt. It mounts like this in the trunk, and it's completely locked. So we'll go ahead and start disassembling this and get to the little weight and clean out all the surfaces. Bar that might fall out. Okay. Actually, this one does not have the bar. I think it's only the left side that has the bar. So that's what this looks like. Go ahead and slide it out. And it should be a little free to jump around, but this feels very seized. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out this pin to remove the entire weight. There we go. And you could see how filthy that is. Whatever that is like dried up. So what you can do is get a pick and just start removing all of this gunk. Or you could try dish soap and water. I think I'll try that. Okay, here's what it looks like after washing it with dish soap and water. Still might be a little bit on here. You also want to clean in here, get all the gunk out, maybe take a pick through it, push out anything from there. Okay, so we'll get the little weight. We'll just drop it in here. Make sure it pokes through the other side. This is a little hole that it sticks into. Okay, there we go. Now we're just going to put this other piece back on. Okay, see, now you could hear it shaking a lot freer. So we'll go ahead and slide this back in. Oh, did I put that in backwards? Like this, maybe? There we go. And we'll just put this back on. Okay, so the way it sits in the car, like that, something like that. There it goes. And if you give it a tug, it locks. And you can probably see how that mechanism works. Right now we're off balance, so it's locking there. If I put it back in the correct orientation, it comes out nice and easy. And whenever you give it that sharp tug, it'll engage some other locking thing. Probably hard to see it, but it's that red orange one. Easy.